Okay, no laughing because I haven't done it in a long time. I will be trying to do something. Let's say. This is Unity. Unity is funny. It's game engine. Right? We do games here. I haven't done anything here in a long time. So I need to remind myself how things worked and how am I supposed to do stuff here? Oh, that's right. Okay, much better for the eyes. Certainly. Since when Space does things like this? Okay, I have fixed it. Okay, we have stuff now. Does stuff have mesh collider? Yes, it does. Now we can add a cylinder. Usually cylinder is used for representing the player in early stages of game development on Unity, at least. That's what I heard. Let's make it green. Green, why you do this? Can also add cube. But this cube is far away. Oh. That's not what I meant. Here is cube. We can add rigid body to it. And now investment camera. How you were supposed to possess it? Were there an option to? I'm not even familiar. I don't even remember if there was an option to possess the camera here. I'll just plop it to the player, let's say. So now we see everything that is in front of this cylinder. Much better to manage the camera. And now you can see the box falling. We have achieved gameplay. Yes, we have achieved gameplay. I can duplicate the box, make it can I? No, I need to make new material. I can make it red, and now the box is bigger. Oh, hello H. You ghost, okay. Oh, I haven't. And you see? The bigger box is bigger, so it falls slower for some reason. But it works. We have achieved gameplay. Now if I could, we could also duplicate this cube. Rotate it. Make it even bigger. We can make it dunno orange. I'm trying to remember how to use Unity, because I had enough of games, of playing. And if you can, even if you want, this could be mass 10, this could be mass 100. Yes, I something like this. Something like making your own game. Okay, this will be our player. So it has it needs a player script. Player. Right. Should have a player script. Also, it can have a tag for player and layer for player. Oh, that's main camera for player. Now we need to make our character move. But this is boring, so I will try to steal one of my old scripts if I can find it. Player movement. This is not how to make your own game, because I don't know how to make games. I'm trying to, learn myself how to do this stuff. So don't think about this, that this is how to. I actually have two different scripts for it, for these things. This is a lot of stuff. Most of it won't be necessary for now, but I will just steal it when we will tweak it later. Fucking hell. And I will also create a script mouse look? Because we'll need it too. Okay, I have made a lot of stuff now, okay? But this, I mean, I borrowed a lot of stuff from myself, so it will be, make us faster. Make us our progress faster. Hello! Yes, I see what you're saying, H. No, don't worry. These things will help us with I think this also goes on to here. I have done this alone. I haven't done it in a long time. We need a pivot point for the camera. Create empty. PP. Let it be PP. It will be here, and for PP we point camera. Transport will be PP. Ground mask is not made yet. We need layer, add layer, ground, and everything that we can jump on will be ground now. Camera is mine camera. Base speed will be 1. Oh, ground check. We need also a ground check empty. The ground check. Is this the game of mine? No, that's this will be what will become the game. I won't show you my previous things because they were silly. We'll make something ourselves. Is a lot of code that will need tweaking for it to work, because I lifted it. Oh, but something is not. Oh yeah, character controller. Now it should work. Never mind. No, not working. We don't need capsule collider, I think. That is redundant. Everything looks correct. Nope. Still doesn't work. I guess mouse look should be on main camera. Instead. Oh yeah. We can turn our head around, let's say. It's progress, and we can jump, hey! It's progress, but... Or do we move but very slow? Oh! We have to hold shift, so sprint to move. Oh, because modifier is 0. Makes sense. So now it should be 1. We have progress. We can move. Let me press something else. We have achieved movement. Let me change some things still. Let's make speed 10 so you can zoom. Also change FOV on camera to be 90 at least, so we can see something more. We have progress. We can have zoomies. We can move. The code lifting has been you know, correct, let's say. Collisions are okay. Only things would be to also mark the boxes as ground, so I can turn on off Steam for now. So we can now jump off of them. Very cool, very cool. How do you like it, guys? You think this will be interesting to watch, or are you not, you know, not very interested in stuff like this? We can work a bit on the UI now. It's nice for talking stream, let's keep it. Sure, sure thing. I can talk a lot. I can talk about many things. Let's start with UI. We need a... What do I think about the Museum of Modern Art in Warsaw? It's shit. End of story. They should redo it, or maybe not redo it, but they should make it a, you know, a nice building and not squares like in Minecraft. It's Minecraft the building. UI. As I said before, this stream is not how to. I am myself a student. let's say I don't know how to do things yet, so I'm learning. And you shouldn't learn from me. We have canvas here. We can start adding things to canvas. We can add image. This image is in the middle, anchored to the middle. Or it should be at least. Now it's anchored. We can choose a sprite. Let's do a knob. Knob head. Now, when we turn on the thing, we have a dot in the middle. This canvas should be, yes, overlay on screen space. Yes. Screen space? No, it should, yes, but it should scale with screen size. It should match height. Reference resolution should be 100 by 1080. I can make the dot even smaller, 10 by 10, let's say. Maybe go back to 100 by 100 but change the scale to 0.y by 0.1. Oh, never mind, it doesn't have z, it has y, because it's a flat. Okay. Now we have a dot in the middle of our screen as a placeholder crosshair, right? We have placeholders crosshair. Helps, you know, having something like this to know where the middle of your screen is. Especially when you're trying to, you know, shooting stuff. Because most likely this will be, you know, FPS game. Because I like FPS. It's easy to make. That's what I want to, you know, teach myself to do. Let's go back to canvas, maybe. We could add basic two things. Maybe three. Do I remember how it was done? I haven't done it in very long time. It was a slider, right? Yes. It's not interactable. We don't have a graphic for it. We don't need a handle. Alright. So wait. No, I need the field thing. Or should this be green? This should be green. Oh yes. So we don't need this background, to be honest. We only need this. And now this slider goes from 0 to like, 1. It works, but it doesn't work how it's supposed to. It should go to 0, and 0 should be nothing. If I scale this... Oh. I can just scale it to the size.
On Moonbase Alpha, preparations for a manned probe of the recently
Now it
discovered
works.
planet Meta are almost complete. The new commander of Alpha, John Koenig, is getting some last-minute information from the head of the Space Commission, calling from Earth.
How do you like this, John? The first close-up shot of the planet Meta, taken from the unmanned
Can
space
call
bearer
it
Gas atmosphere.
Not only that, we're receiving signals loud and clear. The planet Meta could be supporting life as
but health should be red, not green.
Stop us, John. Nothing.
That should be red.
Well, John, good to see you again.
Professor Bergman, Victor is still here.
Yes, I got caught. Listen, John, things are far more serious than I suspect you've been told. People are dying up here.
The virus infection?
Well, Dr. Russell doesn't believe it is a virus. Looks very much like the effects of radiation, but I'm not.
But what?
There is no radiation.
Look, Victor, you know me well enough to know that I'm not going to ignore the fact that people have been dying up here. But the space launch of the century must not be allowed to slip through our fingers. That planet is passing just close enough to make a landing. This medical problem must be solved. There's no margin for error.
Dr. Russell has some ideas worth listening to. Why don't you talk to her, John?
Why is font size minus 99?
Our ninth man died this morning. One moment he's fine, the next he had lost all control. Look at this thermographic plate. A malignancy erupts, and there's immediate disorientation of the kind that's classic in radiation attacks.
I understand, Doctor. You've had 11 cases so far.
9 deaths.
But all 9 who died were workers in nuclear disposal area 2. The 2 astronauts with the same illness never went near that site. It's inconsistent.
There's another inconsistency. There is no radiation in Area 2.
What about the backup crew? Are they medically clear to fly this mission?
They appear to be, but they've lived the same lives, been through the same training as the crew
What?
probe astronauts. I can't guarantee that they won't be affected. 3 days
I don't have font?
or 3 months out in deep space.
Dr. Russell, the 2 astronauts. Come quick.
Well, Doctor?
It's over. They're both gone.
If it's the last thing I
Hello,
do,
H.
I'll find out why those 2 men died. Paul, I'm going to recheck the radiation levels of Area 2 myself. Get an eagle ready. I'll need 2 volunteers.
Yes, sir.
I want Area 2, Collins, not 1.
That's where we're going, Commander. We just use Area 1 as a turning
Where
point.
did I...
Beacon Delta. It's a landmark.
Area 1.
Where are...
This is the first nuclear waste area up here. Has it been used since I left Victor?
No, John, they've moved on to Area 2. This one hasn't been used for 5 years.
How's it holding up?
All right, according to reports. Constantly monitored, no radiation.
All right, Collins. Let's move on to Area 2.
Landing at Area 2, Collins and Jackson go out on foot to check the radiation levels, while Koenig and Professor Bergman stay in the area monitoring depot.
Point 1, check complete. Radiation normal. No leakage. We're going on to point 48.
All right, Jackson.
Section by section, the 2 men check every part of Area 2.
Commander, point 48, check complete. Radiation normal. That's it, sir. All okay out here?
All right, Jackson. Thanks. Get out of there as fast as you can.
That seems to prove that the radiation can't hurt. They're within safe limits.
Whatever killed our men was not radiation.
Seems not.
Commander, we've got to get out of here.
All right, Collins. We're leaving soon.
No, no, no. Got to get out.
Stop him! He'll kill us all!
We're slowly but surely, I'm slowly but surely trying to remember how to, operate this stuff. I still don't get it. Why does it not show?
Przewodności urządzeń technicznych zainstalowanych na stacjach kolejowych może być różna. Natomiast odpowiedzialność pracowników kolei za życie ludzkie, tabor kolejowy i przewożone ładunki jest zawsze jednakowa. Pociągi kursują przez całą dobę. Przyjęcie służby przez dyżurnego ruchu musi więc odbywać się sprawnie, aby nie zakłóciło to ciągłości pracy. Nie może być przy tym żadnych niedomówień, bo zagraża to bezpieczeństwu ruchu pociągu. Przyjmujący służbę ma obowiązek wdrożyć przez tok pracy,
Why doesn't it show?
ruchowej pociągów i stroju, wykonywać zamierzenia poprzednika oraz planować pracę dla siebie i dla następnej zmiany. Czynność to podpisanie listy obecności.
Wobec tego trzeba dopilnować drużyny konduktorskiej, żeby one tej... Panie dyżurny ruchu, słucha Pan na tą rozmowę, że jest liczenie podróżnych, ogłosić wszystkim drużynom...
Oh, now it works. For some reason now it works.
Dzień dobry. Proszę.
Rozpoczynając służbę, dyżurny ruchu sprawdza plomby na urządzeniach ZRK i stan liczników. Sprawdza zapisy w dokumentach ruchu i kontroluje, czy dokumenty te są przesznurowane i opieczętowane.
I can do something like this, and now I can do here and call it stamina. This one is 140, 50.
Wolny. Na szlaki działkowo i łowo. Torze numer 2 obowiązuje telefoniczne powiadanie pociągu.
We can go
10.76 roku, godzina 8, służby zdalne.
to the right,
Zgodnie ze spisem,
change field to the green,
jazdy, przepisy i instrukcje
and
urządzenia
change it to
działają prawidłowo i podplądane.
right to left.
Na nastawni DZ1 brak plomby na bloku przebiegowo utwierdzającym A1-2. Dlatego R142 prowadzi się w pełnym zakresie. Stan liczników zastawek
For now it's only to look.
0762 U równa się 0858 i SZU
This one on green is looks bad.
Zajętość torów. Pierwszy, drugi, trzeci i 8 wolny. Tor czwarty pociąg 6081. Tor szósty pociąg 66074 do rozbiórki. Tor 10 pociąg 613. Pociąg 1503 50 minut opóźniony. W drodze jest pociąg dodatkowy numer 15281, który będzie u nas rozwiązany. Jest w biegu pociąg 52680.
It's much bigger now. It's placeholder for now.
Z powodu nawału pracy manewrowej zalega obróbka bocznicy GS. Jest telegram o kursowaniu pociągu dodatkowego numer 25013.
Now let's work on player. This will be player.
56 roku, godzina 8:00. Dyżur przyjąłem. Zapis czytałem.
Yes, that's how it looks. We'll be doing C# here mostly.
Do widzenia, do widzenia. Na starnicy pójdzie pan sprawdzić zajętość torów. Sprawdzi pan, czy
I need to, do some. No, we're doing serialized fields. Integer. We'll call it stamina. Right, that's how it worked. Yeah.
To na służbę. Pierwsza Kowalski, druga Nowak. Koniec.
And this player movement.
Prowadzenie Bukresa zabezpieczone przed biegnięciem. Tor pierwszy, drugi jest wolny. Tor czwarty 6081, szósty wolny. Na 10. Dziękuję i przyjąłem. Przygotować wjazd pociągu 5.
How are we going to do this?
Koniec. Próbuję o dokonaniu oględzin rozrodu.
Because this is proning, this is standing, this is crouching, this is jumping. Let's start from jumping. Do I have I have controller here, so I could branch out from this if I remember how to.
Podając
So
swoje nazwisko i nazwę stacji, dyżurny ruchu sprawdza łącznik
this is jumping.
wyróżników przejazdowych.
We need to add a clause here to this if statement.
Przejazdy
Usually, I mean, if
52, Sławin.
I press jump button, so it's space, I am on the ground, so I cannot jumping, you know, in air, and I'm not crouching and not being prone, because you know, jumping from crouching and jumping from being prone, kinda stupid. I mean, there is crouch jumping in some games, but for now, let's not change the code that I already made. And
Sprawę, że od znajomości przepisów, poczucia obowiązku, sumienności wykonywania i umiejętności kierowania podwładnymi zależy bezpieczeństwo.
let's add another maybe seria. Private. This will be a player script called player, and this will get an info from here. Yes, and have jump and player dot stamina is more than 0. This will do a jump, and player dot stamina will be minus equals 20. So it will remove 20 from stamina of this, and I also need to add an UI controller. I need to add a script. Why doesn't it play? Oh no, not nude behavior script. UI controller. And in UI controller, fuck you. How was because we need using TM Pro for sure. I need to public void you know, this is the only time when I actually have to think on stream, and it will be the most painful thing. Yes, I'm actually doing something bad. Yes, I'm actually doing something. I'm actually thinking. I know it's rare. I have done this multiple times already, but it was years ago. Update update UI, let's say. For now. Yes, skill issue. Stamina number. Let's call it, and this will be TM. TMP-text, I think. I'm not sure. Stamina number dot t. Oh, I don't remember. We need to read. We actually need to read the specification. Unity TM Pro. Oh God! How? No. I need not this one, but the other manual. Scripting API, yes. TM Pro. Not input field, but literally TMP text. Yes, TMP text. No, that's so maybe I need manual? Maybe manual? Oh, that's phone assets. Wait. Oh well, see you around, Tom. Thank you for joining. Yes, this is correct. And I remembered correctly. I do text equals this is the correct plane movement, right? Tell me this is the correct one. This is not the correct one. Fuck! I'm gonna A, C. Close this one. Fuck you. A, F. This is the correct one. Equals to I need hook for yeah, I'm just gonna This will add. This will give us player stats. Player dot stamina dot it was to string, if I remember correctly, right? Me. And now it's debugging, my favorite thing. This is inaccessible due to protection level. No, it has to be public. Yes? Has to be public. Int doesn't have a to string. There is a obtuse object. And it's big T. It works. It works for now. Okay. So update UI works. Technically. This happens. So this lowers player stamina and calls for UI control. I need UI control. Private UI controller. UI control. And now here we go, UI control dot, what was the thing? Update UI. And is this, it should work. Oh right, I need to do the things. Player UI controller is not existent. UI controller goes on canvas. This is player. TMP text we need to. This TMP text. And now, is it enough? No, still not enough. Well, because player doesn't have stamina. That's why. Oh, player has 100 stamina. Hey, it works! $20 and 0. And we can jump no more. I have actually done something. Nice. Also, now, when game starts, game, you know, in quotation marks, we can do here serialize field UI controller UI control. We can start. I mean, we don't necessarily have to do it here. I can just here in start we can just give go update UI. And if player has 100 stamina. But what if player has 666 stamina? It does indeed work. Okay. Now we can do something funny and maybe add a stamina regain speed. Yes. We need 10 a public most likely. And stamina max and let's say stamina regen and stamina will be equals plus equals shut the fuck up plus equals to stamina regen times time dot delta time, right? What do you mean float? Delta time is float? Okay, then it has to be a float. No, but if I change it to float... Oh. Won't everything shit the bed? If I change it to float? Stamina max is... Wait. This will be 100, this will be 100, region will be 4 points. An update, of course. It has to be an if statement. If. Of course. If stamina is less than I could have done endurance max. That's less, yeah? Stamina is less than stamina max, then regen stamina through time. Doesn't work. Oh no, it works. It doesn't update the UI. That's why you have UI controller. That's why you have UI controller. We can update UI each time it happens. Nice, but we need to cover it to int. No, float to int. No, I don't. How do I do this? Do not show the point. God fucking damn it. I'm doing a stupid. It doesn't work. Hmm. So I can. No, because that's not the thing. This is the thing. Hmm. Okay, I have. I think I fixed. Yep, I fixed it. It no longer shows. No longer shows the after decimal point things. Oh, no, I want player. Maybe stop showing gizmos. Now it's nice, clean and smooth. Now I need to remind myself how to update the thingy-majingy. This is a slider. Scripting API, my favorite page on ever. Soviet music to make you feel like you're in Afghanistan. Best music for coding. Oh, value. So just slider value, okay. So here in UI controller we want private slider stamina slider. Of course we need using unity .ui, I think. Stamina slider value equals player stamina. Oh, it's small. What? Could not be found. It's not unity.ui? Unity engine.ui. Now it will work. Fuck you. So it's slider with small. No, fuck. No, it's Unity engine.ui. So why is not? It's slider. It's slider with big S. Oh, it doesn't have value. It has value with small, yeah. Oh, object reference not. Ah, it works like charm. And here we need to add a we need to go serialize field player movement p movement. And here we do like, and then is not p movement dot is sprinting. So now it when it's sprinting is not getting stamina recovered, and when he's sprinting, here is sprinting, and when he's sprinting, the where is player stamina is same as here, but no, is let's say is minus 8 times time the delta time, and UI update UI. Player is sprinting is inaccessible is sprinting. So we make it accessible, but public is public bool now. Oh, what? Null reference? What? Oh, because it doesn't do it all the time. Because this is not This is running only once. No. Yes, but that's not good. I mean, it makes sense to not flip the boolean every second, but it makes me... It makes me... I need to make another if statement here because of it. And it's not very wise to do it like this, because it has to, every frame it has to call to other file to ask for a boolean. But for now it has to work. For now it will be okay. Here we learning, not making it okay. I mean, not making it perfect. And it works. Sprint eats our stamina. We're in the minus. Not good. Because we didn't do... And we would need to add a clause for it to... where is... Player stamina is more than 0. Works one way, but it doesn't work the other way.
Привет, сестренка, моя родная, ну как дела? Зима дороги домой, наверное, уж замела.
Here we need to do or player dot stamina is equals less 0.
А звезды падают над Кандагаром в лучах зари. Ты только манишь
Less equals 0.
сейчас суббота, белье почище, учет с спиной. Здесь пахнет потом, здесь спят парнишки, был трудный бой. С дружком Олегом, что он вернется, держу.
Oh, what happened?
Ты только манишь, что я
Oh, the speed modify. We are in the fucking 1000. We have 90,000 negative speed. We have 100,000 negative speed. I'm zooming. And I'm speeding up. It's I'm certainly making it, you know, very. It's not the most optimal way to do it, but I'm only here to, you know, learn. To learn on my mistakes. If I ever make working product, I will redo the code, you know, from the beginning.
А звезды падают над Кандагаром в лучах зари. И только маме, что я в Афгане, не говори. А звезды падают над Кандагаром в лучах зари. Ты только маме, что я
It works now.
не говори. Ты только маме,
Oh! It allowed me to jump even though I had 0 stamina. Because I had... Oh, it allows me to have negative. After float. Not good. Also, it's my stamina even I'm... Because I'm sprinting even though I am standing in place. Is stupid. It doesn't work, shouldn't work like this. Pressing shift shouldn't make me sprint. Only moving should. Do I have a boolean for moving? I have a stupid thing to how to fix it. Not only sprinting but also and both X and Z is not 0. P movement dot X doesn't equals 0. No, but let's first do it. Doesn't equals 0. How doesn't it equals? No, player movement has X and Z. What do you mean it doesn't have X and Z? Oh, because it has small x and small z. It's inaccessible. I know that is stupid, but For now, it's only testing. It's only testing, don't worry. Now x and z is 0. Oh, that's what I thought. That's what I thought will happen. We need to do that OR here, but we need to do it in a bracket. And now, no matter if I move but now shifting I need to make it shorter, but for now maybe this will be my is sprinting FR. Kawie na rukawie. Bull is sprinting for real, no cap. Fala kawie. Oh, this is so now I press shift, nothing happens, only when I move. Остаться с тобой. Остаться с тобой. Again, I could jump when it was negative. Na rukawie. But jump on this should be when stamina is more than 0. No, it should be more, it should be more equals 20. Or no. No, not more equals 20. If you go 0, there should be like a... We could do if statement in if statement. Like if player dot stamina is more than 20, else we can just do not velocity, player stamina equals to 0. No, not 2, 1, because won't it doesn't equal 0 check, it equals 0 as a number. So now when we jump 5 times, why doesn't it regenerate? What? Oh, because I'm not getting rid of his sprinting for real, for real. Public. It's a mess of a code, don't worry. It's just for fun. Player dot is sprinting for real false. Why doesn't it regen? Why doesn't it regen stamina? Oh, it's not sprinting. For real, for real. No, and it has to be grounded. So we need check for P movement dot is grounded. It's inaccessible. Shut the fuck up. Suck my nuts, Unity. So guys, what do you think? Oh, hello, hi. I'm just a funny guy that tries to remember how to do stuff in Unity. Don't mind me. And it's very basic stuff. Okay. Because it's not... Because it's never 0, because it regenerates. So I can just jump indefinitely. No, I'm stupid. I don't... I'm not good at things. I'm here to learn stuff. So I would most likely, you know, learn more from you than you can learn from me. I only do stupid stuff in C# in Unity. And most of the things I just steal from Stack Overflow. Am I trying? Let's say I'm not trying anything right now. And maybe I'm only trying to remind myself of stuff, how it works here. I've been trying to make a game. What type of game I'm trying to make? Well, we're just testing, we're going to sort out the code on the final product. Exactly, Vaj. I would love to make an FPS game someday. Cause I love FPS games, I love shooting stuff. I need a, you know, like a cube. I should try to make a Roblox game. Maybe, maybe. Isn't it in Lua? You know, the only language that I know so is C#, so I guess C++ would be too, because they are similar, at least a little bit. Maybe I would check out Roblox. Życia spać spokojnie. Ach. Yeah, for now we are just fucking around in Unity. Oh, oh no, it should be grounded because of... Hey, we have gameplay! I could actually do like a... wait. Ah! No, not this thing. I could do like... remove rigid body, because we want box collider, but we don't want mesh. We don't want mesh. This will be trigger, and this will trigger you win script. And this will be a UI thing. It will be UI image that is on the whole canvas. Image will be you win. Let's make it maybe black. Let's add you win. Let's add UI text mesh pro, and this will be text you win. And this will be your win will be we need a serialize field object you win. And it will be public void you win. You win. You win. Dot is active equals true, I think. Okay, so not you win, but win screen. Wins. Object does not have, because I want object with big O. Well, because it's game object. God damn it. Oh, because it's not active but active self. Ah. They changed it. What? Ah! No, it's not a method group, what the fuck? Oh, because I'm stupid. Now it will work. Now it will work. No, it didn't work. Why did it not work? Now, that's a question. Why it not work? Is trigger provides contacts? No. Is trigger should be enough. Or does it need a rigid body? I guess it needs a rigid body. But it doesn't use gravity. Because it may be a trigger, but it doesn't have a thing to trigger with. Now it should work. Okay. Player has a collision. Yes, yes, it has. So why is not work? So why is not work? It's still not work. This is me manually doing it. Why is not work? Let's use the debug thingy for the first time. Debug.log grid sucks at coding LMAO. Господин. Okay. Because it doesn't work at all. Doesn't detect my player. Why doesn't it? Maybe player needs a collider still. Maybe character controller is not enough. Maybe we still need a capsule collider. Nope. Still not working. Adding one trigger is so difficult. Who would have thunk? Huh. Maybe because getting into the trigger doesn't do anything. I have only avoid. It doesn't detect. Cause it should be Unity on trigger enter. It should be not void. Should be on trigger enter. Oh. Huh. The problem is this box is getting red because it looks for any collider. We need to collider player. Nope. Learning. So if collider player, if no, this will take the order, and now if order dot game object dot tag equals player. Game object tag unity. Oh, because it's tagged with how was it? It was get unity. Oh, I was leaking my fucking things. I should stop doing this like I'm doing it right now. I need to delete the VOD. Get component. Yeah. Oh, so I should add collider dot game object dot tag. Okay, now it should work. Fingers crossed. Oh. Really? I should have get component collider? I can't just do collider? Annoying. Really get component? Why is player not? Oh, because it has to be a string, right? Because tag is string. Yes. And yes! Progress, bitch! You win. So we have game. We make game, actual game. We have gameplay. We have win condition. I am a certified game developer. It took me 2 hours. And stealing my own code multiple times. Where is my applause? Where is my applause? I am certified game developer. God, it's so much fun. You know, when it's easy like this, it's much fun. But when you have hundreds, you know, things working besides each other, it's not that fun. Really, no applause for me being a game developer? Screw you guys, I'm going home. Oh, I was trying not to die on resort. Okay. You are excused. You are excused. Now we can do a thing with a call. It will be object mag player. Hello H. What's new? I have made a game. It is a certified game. It has gameplay and it has end. You need to jump on the block, this block, and you win! I am a game developer now. Yes! It's a shit game, but it is a game. It works. I can now wear a game developer badge proudly. It took years of learning and 2 hours today. And stealing my own code. Is there like collider touch? Unity collider like touch. Is touching. Oh God. I only want to... Yeah, it only took 2 hours. No, it didn't only take 2 hours. It took 2 hours today, and many years before when I done this exact same thing multiple times. I need to do void start, and when it starts, it won't be start later, but for now it will do start. We need serialize field. You wouldn't do 10% of this? What do you mean? Because you don't use Unity or C#, that's why. you do totally different things, right? So you don't because you don't code, yeah. Player. No, it will be like player. No object doesn't play, just player. Yes, and now we need int player equals get. Oh, what? How? I've used it. I haven't been using this for so long because find the component Unity because it's very get component because it's very annoying to do. It's very hungry. Yeah, get component. And now we do like player take damage 20, and now we need to go to player. We need to do public void take damage, and it will be int damage taken. Now we need a public int health, and we need a public int health max. What am I doing now? I'm making this box I'm making this box make player take damage. I'm making this box deal damage to player. Get component doesn't work. Why doesn't get component? What? Ah. Okay, we are winging it. Winging it. Take damage 20. Health max. Take damage, so it will be health equals minus equals damage taken. Exactly. So I can make like 3 of them now. What is the red arrow? This one will deal oh, because I haven't made it a I need to make it a serialize field private int damage. Kurde. Instead of 20 we go damage. This deals 20 damage, this deals 15 damage, and this deals 10 damage. Okay. And now we need to make player update UI when it's damage taken. But UI doesn't have a damage taken because it doesn't have a health thing. So we need to add the health thing. Serialize field private TMP text stamina health number, and we need a health slider. Yes, and we do this, and we just copy this, and we change stamina slider into health slider player dot health dot health and health. Now we because it has to be Y, not XY. This has to be Y now because it's a local variable. Canvas now needs a health text and health slider. Okay. Player has 0 health. No, player should have 100 health. Let's give him 250 health. So he's very healthy. And it works. It has 250 health. Doesn't work. Cause the... Why? Why it doesn't work? Because it doesn't enter the collider, I guess. Let's see. First of all, let's see if it catches. Oh, it doesn't store the. It doesn't catch the player thing. Okay, but if it caught the player thing, does it work then? No. But why doesn't it work? for now I will comment this, and I will just manually make those triggers. No, I don't need them for manual to take those triggers. Idiot. Idiot, idiot, idiot. We don't need this. We can do other dot get component. What collider, what player. Because box colliders. It's bad because it's not trigger. But if it's trigger, then it no, it, oh yeah, it will just fall through the This is problem. Because if trigger maybe provides contact. Nope, it still falls through the floor. But if not, it's not trigger, then it won't get the on trigger enter. So I just doesn't use gravity, but is trigger. Oh. Okay, good thing it works. Bad thing is not is incorporeal. Right? I'm inside. Also, my movement thing that I made, I can crouch. I mean, I can go pro, I can crouch. And I can stand up. When I'm crouching, I cannot jump. When I'm going prone, I cannot, you know, jump too. I first need to stand up. But still, stupid thing doesn't work. Why cannot it be both a trigger and maybe if I add another box collider, just paste component as new? No. No, paste component as new. Oh, because I'm not I need first copy this and then paste component as new. I need to have one box collider as trigger and second as not trigger. Maybe now? Oh, it works. But now we don't collide with and we don't get inside of it, so we don't get damaged. Now that's a problem, right? So we would need two boxes. One to be slightly bigger, or maybe make this box collider a little smaller, like just a teeny tiny bit. And try it now. Still. But I think I know the reason. Because it's funky wonky we need to remove this component. We would need to add another empty thing. Collider. Get box collider, make it like 0.995, and now it should work. Nope, I am stupid. Or maybe, no, not the other way. Let's try and make it use gravity again. You see, it works now. If I would, but if I make this collider even, maybe not like this, but this way. I can get more inside of it, you know. It's just the problem that I would need to most likely do it the other way. So this thing will get damage player script, and this won't have damage player script. This uses gravity and it's not trigger, and this is trigger, but it's like 1.0, like 1.1. For some reason it doesn't work. Maybe I need to make it a little bigger. Yes, now it works. Still not good enough. Not when I touch it on the top. And it's pretty hefty now. Ah. And now when I... No, still no. Just jumping on it doesn't... That's why most likely. Because we would need to make our ground check a little to the top. Move it. Or something. This problem with the collider. Make it make it like 205 maybe. Nope, still nothing. Let's do 135. Hey, yeah, shut the fuck up. Yes, 135 is the magic number. Now I would need to destroy these boxes and just copy these ones. But still, that's 35% bigger box, right? So it's not only touching now. I mean, still I need to like be near it to damage me, but it's not touch no more. And I can quickly change the damage that it deals. This deals 20, this deals 15, this deals 9. So this is basically killing. I can do funny. We can have a let's say fail state. You can copy you win. You can change it into you lose. You can change it into you lose. Is you lose. And now we need for player we need UI controller. We have UI controller. So here we do public void player lose, let's say. This is the it should be just set active. You lose oh, wait. Dot set active. Set active true, and thus this is this. We need now now we need serialize field. Let me play some music because it's like 15 minutes or more without music. Private game object ill, and player should be play loose. And if health is less than 0, less than equals 0, then UI control dot player lose. Oh, I wanted to be clever. And now it should work that if player receives too much damage, you lose. Yes, we have win con and we have lose con, so it's even more a game now. It's a poor shitty platformer now, but it It works. Somehow. It's what? Almost midnight. I think it's enough for today. We had Amnesia, we had Cyberpunk, and now we had first time learning with Grid. I mean, Grid learning, relearning the things he knew, and now he remembers them a little better. Next time we add gun, and we add enemy, and we shoot enemy at gun, and it gives us point. More gameplay. Gameplay, yeah. Thank you very much for sitting here with me and entertaining my stupidity. I'll see you guys next time. Ciao. I should have a faster thing to